ISE 2024, stand 2 of the day, and we are at a beautiful French hi-fi and speaker company, Waterfall Audio, with my beautiful friend that goes along with that beautiful brand, Cedric.
Thank you.
What an introduction, eh?
Yeah, fantastic. So we are really happy here to showcase a new product line. So we are known for more than 20 years to do glass loudspeakers. We are the only one in the industry doing glass loudspeakers. The thing right now is we are coming with a new line and a new technology.
Yes.
So the new technology is called Jetstream. It's a new damping technology which is going to be on all of low standing speakers.
Okay.
And now, right now, we're looking at the new Niagara. So Niagara is a range of 3 horn-loaded glass loudspeakers.
Okay.
And here specifically, we're looking at the XT2. So this product is incorporating the Jetstream technology. And what is new for us is also that we're using wood. This is solid wood.
Beautiful.
And this is walnut. It could be other type of wood. And we also have different type of finish. It would be like we have the classic version, which is made out of beech wood and black Napa leather on the bottom. And then
nice.
we will have the exclusive version when you will have more possibilities on wood finish, on leather finish. So it opens new doors to custom products.
Are these available now, Cedric?
They will be available in April.
In April?
Yes, in
Do
April.
you promise?
Yes, I promise.
He promises everyone that these will be available in April. And could you give us a rough estimate of what the RRP of them would be? Because I don't to know if they're going to end up in my house or not.
What
the retail price of these would be?
Well, this would be like so we have a range of 3 Niagara, XT1, XT2 and XT3. So the XT1 is the small one.
Yeah.
And the XT2 is the one we see. And the XT3 is the same size with a glass horn.
Oh, nice.
Which is absolutely unique. So the price range is going roughly from 20,000 euros to 40,000 euros, depending on the model of the type of finish.
Wow.
A pair.
Sign me up for a pair. Okay?
You're welcome.
Right, we're going to go and check out the cinema stuff over here. Okay, Cedric, take me through these stunning cinema speakers you've got here.
So this speaker range has been on the market for a while. It's unique for integration. One of the key things is that this is a very flat system. As we explain here, you can see actually on the screen that we are only having 20 centimeter thickness, so you can be close to the wall. So it's very interesting. We use long excursion drivers, and these drivers are enabling us to get a lot of bass outputs with reduced enclosure. So one of the secrets is that these drivers, 4 of these drivers are going to move more air than a regular 15-inch, and it's like a car. If you have a 5-cylinder, 5-liter engine, would you prefer a mono cylinder or V8?
Yeah.
I mean,
V8.
You go for a V8. It's the same in the base. So the interesting thing also about this range is that it comes with a mounting kit that enables you to put it into the wall very easily. So it's very friendly for custom installer to set them up. You can do a full buffer wall within 1 day, and this kit is available for all the type of installation you can make to make the front buffer wall.
So you can get the full buffer wall, you can choose your system and
exactly.
Wall.
So all the speakers are the same width, and we have a range of 3 speakers. So the SAT150 is the smaller one, then we have the LCR 300, and the biggest one is LCR 500, which is dedicated to rooms which are around 60 to 80 square meters.
Okay, fabulous.
This range is also provided with a specific DSP amplifier, which is made by our partner Atom, which is also making the drivers. So we are a French company, as we said before, and the drivers are from France, from Atom, and the amplifier also.
Oh, wow.
So it's a full ecosystem
so
that
it's
you have.
all the way from the head end all the way through
and
to
you
the
got the speakers, the acoustic mounting kit, and the amplifiers.
Yeah.
So that's a full ecosystem.
And I can attest that it is very, very loud. It is very loud. It's got so much headroom.
And no distortion.
No distortion. And that's the perfect thing. Right, now we go to the next part.
Okay.
And finally, you've taken me over to, is this the baby pair?
Yeah, that's the baby. So that's the XT1, is a smaller version that you can see here. With walnut with a high gloss finish this time.
Yeah.
So it's the same definition of solid aluminum, solid wood, but the shape and all the materials are the same, except the size is smaller.
Okay.
So it's the entry level.
Still has the flair of the big boy. Still has the flair.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, still
exactly.
like, and I love the details. Like just adding that strip of wood.
It's really a unique product. This is really, so that's the first level of the Niagara XT1.
And if you're in the UK, where can you experience these?
So you will have to ask your friend Barry from DBM, who is having the distribution, and they know everything about UK. Okay, so they are the right people.
They are the right people, and they will have these on show, I'm guessing.
Recently, in the next few months, like
Wow.
April again. This is going to be available.
If you have time, we saw Meridian this morning. Obviously, they've got their new speakers there.
But, for example, they have that in the showroom at DBM, so you're welcome to also experience. This is another range from Waterfall with ultra compact on-wall speakers,
Yeah.
which are really blasting, and they are made out of solid glass, solid aluminium. The finish is the way we want to do it, like perfect mechanism. And these speakers are working to be, are meant to work with subwoofers, so you can create some 2.1, 5.1. So it's another approach for integration.
It's beautiful. And if you're really lucky enough to go and hear these, like I say, go down to Meridian and go and have a listen to these. They are phenomenal. These new speakers are some of the best that I've heard. So if you get time, either make sure you look on the Waterfall website to look at any details that you need,
Everything is on it now.
or get in touch with the guys at DBM who are the UK distributor for Waterfall. Cedric, appreciate your time.
Thank you, very nice.